Hello guys, in this video we will see why is DirectX Error Exile in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Simple understanding DirectX Error Exiles. Content: this error code by exiles commonly appears in Battlefield titles and other DirectX-intensive games, indicating a problem with the graphics subsystem, often related to DirectX API calls or poor resource management. It typically means the game has encountered an unrecoverable error with your graphics card or its driver, preventing it from rendering graphics correctly. The error often manifests as a crash to desktop, sometimes with a DirectX error device or DirectX error device removed message suggesting the graphics device became unresponsive or was reset by the operating system, often due to a driver crash, instability, or insufficient video memory. Step: update or reinstall graphics drivers. Content: outdated, corrupted, or incompatible graphics drivers are the most frequent culprits behind DirectX errors. Begin by performing a clean installation of the latest stable graphics drivers for your NVIDIA and or Intel. First, you install your current drivers using a utility like Display Driver Uninstaller. Do in Windows Safe Mode to ensure all previous driver remnants are removed. Then download the very latest recommended drivers directly from your graphics card manufacturer's official website and install them. Avoid beta drivers unless specifically recommended for a known issue, and ensure you select a clean installation option if available in the driver setup. Step: update and repair DirectX runtime content. Even if your system has a newer DirectX version, components of older DirectX runtimes required by Battlefield games can become corrupted or missing. Install the latest DirectX end-user runtimes from Microsoft's official website. This package includes updates to older DirectX files that many games still rely on, ensuring all necessary components are present and functioning correctly. Additionally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date, as critical DirectX components are often updated through Windows Update. If issues persist, consider manually deleting and reinstalling the problematic DirectX files. If you are comfortable, though this is less common than a full runtime update. SIP: verify Battlefield game file integrity. Content: corrupted or missing game files can also trigger DirectX errors, as the game may attempt to load assets or shaders that are incomplete or damaged. Utilize the game launcher Origin upstream to verify the integrity of your Battlefield game files. This process scans your game installation against the official server version and automatically downloads and replaces any corrupted or missing files. This ensures that the game itself is not introducing errors due to faulty assets or code. After verification, always restart the launcher and your computer before attempting to relaunch the game. Step that address system stability and hardware issues. Content: underlying system instability or hardware problems can manifest as DirectX errors if you're overclocking your CPU or RAM. Revert all components to their stock clock speeds and test the game. Overclocking can introduce instability that causes the graphics driver to crash. Monitor your CPU and CPU temperatures using software like Monitor. During gameplay, overheating can lead to throttling and crashes. Ensure your power supply unit CPU is sufficient for your components, as an underpowered or failing to can cause instability. Finally, temporarily disable any overlays. A Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, Afterburner, as they can sometimes interfere with game rendering and cause crashes.